Okay, here we are in Culver City looking at a home. Really cool thing about this house, it was taken all the way down to the studs and put back up. It's really unique in the fact that it is right across the street from the Farragut Elementary School, which is a very top-notch elementary school here in Culver City. Let's take a look at that. You'll see it's a great area here. There's also your middle and high school down there. You've got sidewalks. And we're right in the heart of the Veterans Park. Let's go in and take a look at this home that's been, like I said, taken down the studs and completely renovated. Well, if it was taken down the studs, it was completely built. Just so you know, this home is also a smart home. There I am again. You're always seeing me in the mirrors. There's you a sweet little olive tree. And I'm pretty sure that's squash there. Two-car garage, or if you want a flex room.